everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kawaii Brit and I like to make things. Today I'm making a shaker for Easter. I really love how this cute shaker turned out and I hope you do too. The first thing I did was mix my color for the shaker mold. I decided to color it a translucent yellow and also mixed in these iridescent shapes to give it some sparkle. After mixing it thoroughly, it is now ready to be poured into the mold. I allow it to settle into the mold for a few minutes, then pop the remaining bubbles using heat. Once all the bubbles are gone, I placed it into the UV light to cure. After the first cure, I flip the shaker over and cure the other side through the mold. This ensures that the piece is fully hardened before I pop it out of the mold. Since this shaker has a cute chick face on the front, I use my Posca paint markers and some paint to color in those details, and then I let it dry. Next, using a dry erase marker and clear plastic, I trace the shaker spot and then cut that out. Now I can fill up the shaker with all the sparkles, sprinkles, and gems that I want. To seal in the sprinkles, I use a little UV resin to outline the shaker spot, carefully place the plastic, and cure that with the UV light. When that is fully secured, I dome the whole shaker using clear UV resin. Before placing it into the UV light, I make sure to pop any bubbles using heat or else the shaker will be ruined. I also do a full coat dome on the back of the shaker, pop those bubbles and place that into the UV light to cure. When it's fully cured, I use a hand drill to make a hole. Place in an eyelet screw. Attach a jump ring, and then attach the shaker to a keychain. Now we are left with a really cute resin shaker. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these types of videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button up there because I do this and plenty others. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a like. And let me know down in the comment section if there are any crafts you'd like to see me do in the future. If you check out my description, you can see and follow me on all of my other social medias. Everybody have a wonderful day, and if you celebrate, a happy Easter. Bye-bye.